Hearty fraternal greetings and good wishes.
Saludos fraternales de corazón.
I welcome you all to this group life.
Os doy la bienvenida a todos a esta convivencia de grupo.
To experience the heart of the Spanish world,
Para experimentar el corazón del mundo hispánico.
it has been expansion for the Spanish world from this center.
Desde este centro se ha producido una expansión a todo el mundo hispánico, para el mundo hispánico.
The place is known right from the times before Christ.
Este lugar es conocido desde los tiempos antes de Cristo.
540 years before Christ.
540 años antes de Cristo.
This place was found suitable for metaphysical experimentation.
En el año 540 antes de Cristo se encontró que este lugar era idóneo para la experimentación metafísica.
And a group of metaphysicians moved here.
Y se vino a vivir aquí un grupo de metafísicos.
And they did a lot of foundational work.
Estos metafísicos hicieron muchísimo trabajo fundacional,
Which resulted in emergence of a great race in the community, human community.
que dio como resultado el nacimiento el apogeo de una gran raza dentro del género humano, de la comunidad humana.
All our Spanish brothers and sisters know
Todos nuestros hermanos españoles sabéis, hermanos y hermanas,
that the Hispanic race is a renaissance of Iberian race,
que la raza hispánica es un renacimiento de la raza ibérica,
which is connected to the previous race
que está conectada con la raza anterior,
called the Atlantean.
llamada la raza atlante.
It is for this reason,
Y por esta razón,
it is the Spanish that crossed the Atlantis to find what we call today the two Americas.
fueron los españoles los que cruzaron el Atlántico para encontrar lo que hoy conocemos como las dos Américas.
So the heart from which the expansion has happened
De modo que el corazón, desde el que se produjo la expansión,
has been Toledo,
fue Toledo,
which was originally named by the first group of Gnostics as Toletum.
al que el primer grupo de gnósticos que vivió aquí le dio el nombre de Toletum.
It is circumscribed by a river,
Toledo está rodeado por un río,
which is called today Tagus,
que hoy llamamos Tajo.
These sounds, ga and ja, they are interchangeable. Like Jesus, Jesus. Like Jose, Jesus. Joseph. Ga and ja are interchangeable sounds. If you go into the city, you find some places called Tejo. Tejo is Tago. The Greeks make everything with OS. That's why Tejo becomes Tejos or Tagos. Samos. All O's they add at the end. If you take to the etymological key, the river name stands as a river of the brilliance of the sun. There is a Sanskrit word called Tejas. Tejas means the brilliance of the sun. So this land, Toledo, is almost circumscribed by this river. And is found to be a sacred place by the ancients. The very contours of the peninsula, or you can call it an island, resembles a great eagle with its two wings spread. It is not by accident that today in the United States they hold the national symbol as eagle that has spread its wings far and wide. It has been a sacred symbol coming from the Vedic times. And those who saw this land, Toledo, found that it's a place where the energies of the great eagle are available. The eagle represents the cosmic lord of wisdom, of rituals. Scorpio Sagittarius junction is the place where you have the constellation Aquila. It's the eagle that can soar very high. The Vedic eagle called Garuda is the bird that soars even beyond the seventh sky. It can connect the earth and the heaven. And this eagle is taken up as a means for evolution through certain ritualistic orders which eventually has become the work of the temple, whose other name is masonry. There are temples of masonry all over the globe. There is a master who presides over these temples, who is known as Count Saint Germain. The ritualistic order has the symbol of the eagle. Even in the Masonic temples you can find that symbol now. Since this place, the city of Toledo, is like the symbol of an eagle, they have chosen the symbol to be the symbol of the city. If you see the wings of the bird, it is one wing that details into 7 wings on the right side, and on the other side, on the left side also, the left wing details into 7 wings. And the head of the eagle itself looks either way. It is double-headed. Meaning it can look to east, it can look to west. It can look to wisdom, it can look to strength. East stands for wisdom. West stands for strength. When the wisdom and the strength are united, magic can happen in all the 7 planes. That's why the ritualistic order is said to be an order of ceremonial order and magic. The Spanish community has grown from strength to strength with the help of this ritualistic order and ceremony, which brought them magical results. All pioneers have been Masons of very high order. The city of Toledo was the capital city of Spain.
La ciudad de Toledo era la ciudad capital de España
Until the 16th century,
hasta el siglo XVI.
and by that time there is already the energy spread towards the west.
Al llegar a ese punto del tiempo, la energía se había difundido hacia occidente.
As much as there is expansion,
Y mientras en la misma medida que se produce una expansión,
there was shift of the center.
asimismo produjo un movimiento de desplazamiento del centro,
From Toledo to Madrid.
desde Toledo a Madrid.
You can see thereafter what happened to the Spanish world.
Y ya podéis ver, ya sabéis lo que le ocurrió al mundo hispánico a partir de ese momento.
The high soaring bird
El ave que volaba tan alto
has left to the west.
se marchó hacia occidente.
You see in Mexico they have the symbol of eagle.
Veis como en México tienen como símbolo araña.
They have in the United States the symbol of eagle.
Como en Estados Unidos de América tienen el símbolo del águila.
The symbol of eagle which gave such an expansion to Spanish community
Símbolo del águila que les produjo o le trajo una tan gran expansión al mundo hispánico, a la comunidad hispánica,
symbolically it got hidden
se escondió simbólicamente
when the center of activity shifted from Toledo to Madrid.
cuando el centro de actividad o de la actividad se cambió de Toledo a Madrid.
Then came lot of material expansion.
Entonces se produjo muchísima expansión material
And then indulgence.
así como también abuso.
And the will of the bird
Y la voluntad de la ave
got hidden.
se escondió.
It is for this reason
Por esta razón,
to work for one's own uprising
trabajar para la propia elevación
and to work for a collective uprising,
trabajar para una elevación colectiva,
it is necessary that invocations and prayers are done in the city.
es necesario que se lleven a cabo invocaciones y oraciones en la ciudad.
It was the city where
Y esta fue la ciudad en la que
the ancient wisdom
la sabiduría antigua,
as well as the modern religions
así como también las religiones modernas,
found a kind of synthesis
encontraron una especie de síntesis.
There are synagogues, there are Christian churches, and then there are mosques.
Hay sinagogas, hay iglesias cristianas, hay también mezquitas cristianas.
And everything was working in harmony.
Y todo funcionaba o se llevaba a cabo en armonía.
So Toledo stands for unity of power.
Toledo representa la unidad del poder.
When there is unity, there is power.
Cuando hay unidad, hay poder.
When there is unity, there is strength.
Cuando hay unidad, hay fuerza.
For many sublime ideals that the human looks for,
Para muchos ideales sublimes de los que busca el ser humano,
Toledo stands as a symbol.
Toledo sobresale como símbolo.
It is therefore thought fit that we do our group life for 3 nights and 3 days. To experience the energies of Toledo. And to contribute once again to the energies of Toledo. We can be benefited by its energy, and we can also, as a medium of the divine, help the energies to resurrect. There are such ancient centers of wisdom. Where there was wisdom, the power, the splendor, leading to a life of harmony. Hence we need to visit a center like Toledo to work with the energies of Toledo. One should first realize the great bird within oneself. There is a great bird within us, which is continuously working with its wings. It also moves from Mooladhara to Sahasrara. Yes. Through all the 7 centers, through all the 7 ethers, which are called the 7 skies. That is what we know as the pulsating principle in us. So as much as one works with the bird of life within, the bird is pulsation. Its wings are respiration, inhalation and exhalation. And it also has 7 wings with 7 skies. Its left part is the energies of material, the right part is the energies of spirit. And the central bird itself is the neutralizing energy in which the material and the spirit commune to experience the splendor of the soul. So we shall conduct the wisdom relating to the eagle in the 2 classes tomorrow, and Sunday morning we make a pilgrimage to Toledo. This is only to experience what you call the tip of the iceberg. Later, according to your inclination, you can work with this energy. It's now dinner time. So we continue tomorrow. At 9 o'clock we have the class. The rhythm is normal as we always have in a group life. Gracias.
Teníamos tres, pero uno se lo dio Nacho esta mañana.
Thank you. Normally, a presentation can be accepted after the labors are done. Yes. So, until the labors are done, they shall be at the feet of the master.